I'm Aankit Roy and co-founder of Khabri. It's an audio platform where you can create your audio channel and create your own content. And on the other side, there are audience who can listen to your audio content. And we have scaled to 1 million plus users, and right now it's growing really well. So, primary goal is to build a scalable system which can impact at a very high scale, probably at a global level. And the second goal would be, like, in India, we know like there are a lot of talent, but there is no ecosystem which can support those talent to build or create better products or better technology. So I want to build an ecosystem or innovation culture at scale where people can, budding engineers can be comfortable and solve problems really well. So for budding tech leaders, I would like to say that all the best, first of all, because it's a difficult journey. There are a lot of things you need to learn. Constantly upgrade yourself with the latest technology which is coming, and also talk to leaders who have gone through this process so that they can get mentorship, understanding, and don't make mistake which has already been done previously. Or at the same time, have to be very, very confident because there will be a lot of mistakes which happens, and you need to learn from the mistakes and continuously evolve. Okay, so from the very beginning, like when I was a child, and I love to solve problems, be it at any level. So then I got interested in mathematics, and I used to solve problems on a daily basis. And then when I was in 11th class, I opted for computer science, and I understood that using computer science you can solve problems at scale, and that got me very much interested to computer science. I opted for engineering and computer science in BIT. Then I learned theoretical subjects as well and understood how to solve real problems using computer science. And then when I came to job market, I initially worked with an MNC named Nuclear Software Private Limited. There it was a good exposure, but there were a lot of restrictions. As an MNC, there are a lot of hierarchies, so I was not able to learn further. So I decided to join a startup, an edtech startup named Online Theory, where I got complete exposure. Most of the people were from IIT Kanpur, and I understood how the backend has been developed completely. Scalable system, have seen millions of requests coming and being handled properly. So after 2 years of experience there, I was very confident that now I can build my own scalable systems. So then I joined Pulkit Sharma, who was already working on Khabri, an audio platform, and I joined as a tech co-founder. And during the co-founder journey, being an entrepreneur, I have learned a lot of things: tech, non-tech, build like team members, and then learned a lot of new technologies as well, solved a lot of problems, real life challenges. And that was the journey. And the trigger point was the 2 years of experience which I had in the startup. That gave me complete confidence that I can do it as well. So that's how my journey was. So first of all, there are very, very basic problems you need to address for sure. Without that, you will suffer without any warning as well. So availability of the systems are very important, scalability of those systems are very important, and security is very important. So these are the very basic challenges which you need to cover first. So availability and scalability can be covered by using virtual machines, and these days people are offering scalable services like using Kubernetes or a Docker container. You can like deploy your services in a scalable manner, where if more requests are coming, then things scale automatically. So that will be resolved. And then for security, you need to follow virtual network. You create a virtual network in your cloud, so that even someone from outside tries to attack, in your systems, they will not have the access because it's a private network. Okay, so and then you can so by following this you will be safe, secured, and then you need to monitor these systems continuously and optimize continuously at a application level or code level. Okay, so if you are not having much time, or you don't want to learn too much into Google Cloud services or AWS services, so then what you can do is you can reach out to these people. These people are very helpful. They help you with the infrastructure level, or there are new services coming up which are no code cloud automation, where you these services use your code and create infrastructure around your code, that too like at very very nominal cost, so you don't have to worry about the scalable systems at all. So yeah, these days the problems which were there are solvable, and you need to focus on the business challenges more.